Hello students, today I will discuss and I will learn about chapter 3rd coordinate geometry for class 9 subject maths. In this chapter we will study about some point. First point is introduction, second is Cartesian system, and third is to plot a point in a plane. How to plot a point in a plane, okay? So firstly we will discuss what is ordered pair. What is ordered pair? A pair of numbers a and b listed in a specific order with a at the first place. We can let a is the first place and b at the second place is an ordered pairs like that. A is at first place and b is at second place, so it is called ordered pair. Note that a comma b is not equal to b comma a. Thus 3 comma 2 is one pair and 2 comma 3 is another ordered pair. So we can give 4 comma 3 is at the first place and 3 is at the second place, and this is not equal to 3 comma 4. We can say this is at first place of an ordered pair and this is at second place. In this is not equal to this. So here in this ordered pair we can see 3 is at the first place and 4 is at the second place. So all have understood about ordered pair. Clear? So we can say 4 comma 3 is a ordered pair and 3 comma 4 is another ordered pair. Understood? Now we will discuss about coordinate geometry. Firstly, I will tell you what is coordinate geometry. This is the another branch of mathematics. This is the another branch of mathematics in which we can relate between algebra and geometry. Or we can find the position of a point in a plane with algebra through geometry. This is coordinate geometry. You all have learned about how to represent a point on the number line in previous class and chapter 1 also. Now in this chapter we will learn how to represent a point in a plane. How to represent a point in a plane. Firstly, the position of a point we can represent through two perpendicular lines. Through two perpendicular lines we can find the position of any point. Suppose that draw two lines. First line is x dash o x, horizontal line, okay, and y dash o y, it is called vertical line. Okay, draw. This is x dash o, and this is y or y dash. Okay, this is x o x, this is a horizontal line, and y o y dash, it is called vertical line. Understood? Now this is the meeting point of x o x line and y o y dash line. The meeting point of these two lines is called origin. This point is the or we can say the intersection point of horizontal line x dash ox and vertical line y dash oy is called origin. So o is called origin. Clear? I repeated, x dash ox is a horizontal line and y dash is a vertical line. The intersection point of these two lines is called origin. Okay, now we will talk about axis. As x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, the distance from y-axis is called x-axis. The distance from here, this is called the distance from y-axis is called x coordinate or x-axis, or we can say it is abscissa. It is called abscissa. The distance from I repeated, the distance from y-axis is called x coordinate or abscissa. The distance from y-axis is called x coordinate or abscissa. Clear? Or the distance from x-axis is called y coordinate or ordinate. Understood? I repeated, the distance from y-axis is called x coordinate. Suppose that the distance from y-axis is a. It is called x coordinate or abscissa. Okay? Or the distance from x-axis. The distance from x-axis is called b. Clear? B. So the point of this coordinate is called, here we can say a. So is the point of P a comma b. So the coordinate of point P is a comma b. Clear? Or we can denote, suppose that we can write 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, minus. You have seen in previous classes, in previous chapter, this is positive side and this is negative side of horizontal line. This is positive side, this is negative side in vertical line. So this is -1, -2 or -3. Clear? Or this is called origin. So what is the coordinate of point P? What is the coordinate of point P. We can write here point P. What is the coordinate of point P? You can check. The distance from x-axis is 2 and distance from y-axis is 2, 2. Clear? So we can find the coordinate of any point. Now we have to find the coordinate of this point. Suppose that point R. So on x-axis this is -3, on y-axis this is also -3. So the coordinate of point R is -3, -3. Understood? Now I have told you just now about coordinate geometry, about ordered pair, about vertical line, horizontal line, and what is x-axis and what is y-axis, and what is point. Now we will discuss about Cartesian system. What is Cartesian system? Draw two lines. This is called axis. X dash O, Y O, Y dash. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This side is positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. Can say positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and negative x-axis and negative y-axis. Clear? And these two axes intersect each other at point O. This is called origin. I have told you. And these two lines, these two axes divided to each other in 4 equal parts. This is called, we can say, first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. These parts are called quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The region of first quadrant is X, O, Y. The region of second quadrant Y, O, X dash or X dash, O, Y. The region of third quadrant X dash, O, Y dash. The region of fourth quadrant X, O, Y dash. Clear? Now we will see the sign of these quadrants. In this quadrant, OX is positive or negative? Positive. And OY is also positive. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So both should be positive. Okay? In this quadrant, OX dash is negative and OY is positive. So the sign of this quadrant minus and plus. Now in third quadrant, OX dash is negative and OY dash is also negative. So the sign of this quadrant is negative, negative. Now last quadrant, in last quadrant, OX is the positive x-axis and OY dash is the negative y-axis. So these are the four quadrants with their signs. Or we can write these quadrants in tabular form also. This is the most important to solve the exercise from this chapter. Okay, so I am going to tell you the tabular form. First, second, third and last is. First is clear. You will have to write. First is region. Region, clear. Second is quadrant. Second is quadrant. Third is nature of axis, and fourth is sign. I have told you region of the first quadrant is x, o, y. We can write here x, o, y. The region of second quadrant is x dash o y. X dash o y. Third quadrant x dash o y dash. X dash o y dash. The region of fourth quadrant x o y dash. X o y dash. Clear? Now quadrant name: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Clear? Now sign. I have told you its sign positive of x-axis and positive of y-axis, negative of x-axis and positive of y-axis. In third quadrant both axes are negative. In fourth quadrant positive of x and negative of y-axis. Clear? Now we have to know about nature of axis. In this both should be positive. So x is greater than 0 and y is also greater than 0. In second, x-axis is negative, so x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. In this both should be less than 0 because both are negative. So x is less than 0 and y is less than 0. In fourth quadrant x is positive, so x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. This is the nature of axis, region, quadrant and sign. I have told you this is called Cartesian system. This is called Cartesian system. Or XY plan, XY coordinate plane, you can say Cartesian system, in which I have told you about axis, both axes. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, this is first quadrant, second, third or fourth, in tabular form, in this form also. So I will do some examples related to this now. Suppose that 2, -4, suppose that point P, 2, -4, in which quadrant does lie? You can check from here positive and negative, positive of x-axis and negative of y-axis, positive of x-axis and negative of x-axis. So 2, -4 is lie in fourth quadrant. Clear? Now -3, -2, point Q, in which quadrant lie? Both both are minus here, so in third quadrant it would be lie in third quadrant. Now point R 1, 2 in which quadrant lie? Both here positive, so in first quadrant the point R lie. Now S point -5, 4, this is lie in second quadrant. Or -5, 0 in which axis lie? On which axis lie? Here you can check the value of x coordinate or the value of abscissa is 5 and the value of y coordinate and or coordinate is 0. On x, so x axis lie 5, 0 is lie on the x axis. I have told you the on x axis the coordinate is 0 and on y axis abscissa should be 0, so this is lie on y axis. Clear? Or another example, suppose that point A is 5, -4 and point B 3, -7. Find the value of abscissa of A minus abscissa of B. To find firstly abscissa of A is is 5, abscissa means x coordinate, and abscissa of B is 3. So find abscissa of A minus abscissa of B is equal to 5 minus 3. So the value of abscissa of A minus abscissa of B is 2. So I repeat it, I have told you in this video about coordinate geometry, about axis, about origin and Cartesian system. So please do the revision and do the practice. I will meet you in my next video. Okay, thank you.